Thousands of international students, including many from India, remain locked out of the United States this fall, stranded by a spiraling visa crisis under the Trump administration. The fallout is not just academic, it's financial, reputational, and deeply personal. At Arizona State University, President Michael Crow has revealed that 1,000 admitted international students have been unable to join campus this fall, an absence translating into tens of millions in lost revenue and global partnerships. At Furman University in South Carolina, freshman enrollment has dropped significantly, from 613 last year to just 562 this fall. Administrators cite persistent visa issues as a core driver. Despite officially resuming visa interviews in mid-June, the U.S. State Department's process remains chaotic. At one top-ranked U.S. university, a shocking disparity emerged. Chinese students were issued visas at 7 times the rate of Indian students. Even smaller colleges are feeling the pinch. One private institution, which typically admits under 100 international students a year, now has 10 students unable to reach campus, a significant hit to both tuition revenue and classroom diversity. Projections by NAFSA and JB International predict a near 30% plunge in new international enrollment this fall. According to Shorelight, this translates into a nationwide tuition loss of $2.6 billion. Desperate to salvage education plans, some U.S. universities are experimenting. The University of Arizona is piloting a London campus. Northeastern is placing students in Canada and the UK. Even Harvard's Kennedy School is considering a temporary move to Toronto. Lawmakers have now pressed the U.S. State Department for answers. But on June 30th, the agency only warned, new student visa appointments will remain extremely limited until further notice. Students are left with ticking clocks and shrinking hope. Meanwhile, rival countries are pouncing. The UK, Canada, and Australia are actively recruiting top talent disillusioned with America's hostile immigration stance. What was once the gold standard in global education now risks becoming a cautionary tale. As visa backlogs grow, dreams are deferred and institutions suffer. If the Trump administration's squeeze on immigration persists, the U.S. may forfeit not just revenue, but its role as the world's academic beacon. For more in-depth reports on student issues, global education shifts, and immigration policies, don't forget to subscribe to the Indian Express YouTube channel. Stay informed. Stay ahead.